Hello guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up your blog as your homepage in WordPress in just a few minutes. Let's begin. First, go to WordPress, click on Login, and sign in with your Google account to open your dashboard. On the left-hand menu over here, make sure to click on Settings and choose Reading over here so you can manage what appears on your homepage. Okay. And once you are here on your reading section, there should be a your homepage displays over here if you have successfully created one. You can easily select a static page, then set your blog post page as the homepage. Then I want you to scroll down and click on Save Changes so your blog now appears as the front page of your website. And that's it. You have now set up your WordPress blog as your homepage in just a few easy steps. I hope you found this video very helpful.